Hi, my name is Franklin Aleman. I'm working for a parameter restorer. In today's video, I will show you how to do a mold remediation, including equipment, material, and personal protection. Let's begin. This device is called AFD, it's air filtration device. In this machine, we need to use it on a mold remediation to create negative air during demolition. AFD had a simple controllers. We had a on and off switch with a maximum and a minimum speed. We had a red light. That means when the red light is on, the main HEPA filter of the machine need to be replaced. We had an outlet and we had a circuit breaker. On the other side of the machine, we had a protecting cover. That is to keep the machine out of the internal damage. When we remove the cover, we're able to see filter inside. The machine has 4 slashes, 2 in each side to keep it locked. When we lock the slash, we're able to replace the filter. Because each use after a mold remediation, we need to replace the old filter for a new filter. After we replace for the new filter, make sure put the cover back with the 4 slash. And the machine will be ready to use. This is the filter is required for the mold remediation. They call P100 or magenta color filters. This filter is really simple to use. We'll see 3 pins on the mask with the same design on the filter. Just put on top, make sure the pin goes inside and just turn it off softly. Repeat the process for the second filter. Turn it soft and the mask is ready to use. We're gonna put the cord around the neck and we will make sure all this is attached, like tied to your face. Then you have to block the front of the mask. And then just blow a little bit just to feel any air incoming from this side. When you don't feel any air, when you blow in the mask is ready to use. Using a plastic ducting, I will show you how to create a negative air. Make sure when you cut in the plastic ducting, cut a piece long enough to reach any window. After you cut the ducting, place masking tape around the exhaust fan of the AFD to be able to attach ducting all around the fan. Before to turn on the AFD, tie a knot in the end of the plastic ducting in this way. When we turn on the machine, we will see how the ducting is getting like really hard. Next step, we need to make holes to release the pressure. Don't make too much hole, just make necessary to release a little bit of pressure. Otherwise, it won't work. Now I will show you how to create a negative air with one of the two ways to create it. So, we're creating a containment. This one is the affected area. We had a AFD machine, and now I will show you how to create a negative air using the window. Using a 6mm plastic, we're gonna cover the whole window, sealed completely. Then we're gonna make cross with a knife to be able to install the plastic ducting through the window. How this works? When we turn on the AFD machine, this is gonna push air through the ducting to outside, and the duct is gonna inflate enough to seal the hole. When turn on the machine, we start creating suction in this part, and you're able to see how the containment is moving forward to us. And that way you know you've done it correctly. Let me turn on the machine and you will see the example. When we start to create a negative air, the AFD machine has enough power to make the containment collapse. Now, the question is how we can avoid that. To avoid the containment collapse when we're creating a negative air, we need to cut a small section of the barrier just to allow airflow into the work area. When we're cutting the plastic section, we need to make sure the section we're cutting off is smaller than the filter we need to install. In the other side of the work area, we had the clean room. Because we already cut the plastic section, the only thing left to do is put the filter over the hole using masking tape, super glue, just to secure all the side of the filter. The reason why we had to install a filter over the hole is because when we creating a negative air, we want to filtrating anything go into the work area and from work area to outside. When we're doing a mold remediation and the work area doesn't have any window and we creating a negative air from outside of the containment, we need to direct the plastic ducting through the closer window or door. To demonstrate how to create a negative air from outside of the containment, we simulate a small portion of the containment just to show you how to do it. Using the small portion of the containment, I will be able to explain you how to create a negative air inside the work area. The first step is just put the AFD closer to the plastic with the side of creating the suction. This is the AFD looking from inside the work area to outside. What we need to do is cut across all the way to be able to wrap the plastic around of the work suction area. Once we're done with this procedure, we're ready to take the plastic ducting to any door or any window are closer to us. This is the appropriate PPE for mold remediation. We have glove, protective body suit, goggles, respirator with a magenta filter, and ready to go. I will show you how to remove a suit after a mold remediation. We need a HEPA vacuum to HEPA vacuum the whole suit before to remove. After we HEPA vacuum all, we need to unroll the hood, doing carefully, leaving all the dust inside. Now, the person can take it by himself. Thank you guys for having the time to see this video. I hope this video will help you out along the way you're working for apartment restorer. I'm Franklin Aleman and I see you guys the next time.